Hi, I'm Sue from the Writers' Company and I'll be running the Story Blueprint workshop. So, what is the Story Blueprint? It's best described as somewhere between a writing exercise and an interactive choose-your-own-adventure. I provide the story framework, in this case a speculative journey, but you must fill in the details. It will be your writing adventure, but with visual and audio prompts to help you on your way. There are several ideas behind the Story Blueprint. It's a really good way of getting over writer's block. It removes the stress of facing a blank page and coming up with an idea. You will be able to immerse yourself in a story without feeling self-conscious or overthinking. There will be no time for your pesky self-editor to get in the way. It's designed to help you practice adding concrete details to fictional events, to show rather than tell. It will prove that you can write anything, even in a genre you're not familiar with, and be confident to do it. Sometimes workshops can be daunting. Writers are often introverts, myself included. The workshops will only ever be small groups of writers, and I will be there live alongside you, not only to facilitate discussions and explain techniques that will help you unlock your imagination and maybe step outside your comfort zone, but to answer any questions. Writing can be isolating, and it's fun to collaborate with people who share the same interests as you. If you're interested in joining one of the workshops, please head over to the Writers' Company website to book your place.